जेन्ना पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट जाल्लो तेन्ना तुजी 20% कोंकणी आशिल्ली आणि आता 50 जाल्या.
Actually, my granny, she passed away, so very close to me, आणि सारखी क्लोज असतली सो ती काडटाली तेश कोन. So if I used to fall sick, evil eye, this is नोदो लागल्या तुका. Yeah, I used to just take the Bible and just pray on. I used to sprinkle holy water and all. पयलीं कितें जातालें, मिसाक बी म्हाका रिडिंग्स मेळटाली आनी म्हाका रिडिंग्स करपा न्हू म्हाका सारको स्टेज फ्रायट आसतालो, फियर आसतालो, एंड आई टू गेट सो नर्वस. I was sweating कि that paper पास आसे ते पिंचताले ना पिंचताले पेपर out of the sweat. No, this is
oy kaman sweat.
Oy kaman, yeah, I heard kaman.
Goa platform, Goa platform.
Hi guys, this is Vaibhavi. Welcome back to Goa Platform in association with Goa Plus News Channel. Powered by Ambika 1 gram gold jewelry, where you get customized 1 gram gold jewelry of your choice, 50% exchange value, lifetime and 1 year warranty. आज जे म्हजे गेस्ट आसा तेजे हांव चड इंट्रोडक्शन दिना बिकॉज शी इज द मोस्ट वेल नोन होस्ट म्हणल्यारूच मर्लिन डिसिल्वा, also known as Merly Curly. Welcome to our channel.
Thank you, Vaibhavi. You're looking so stunning today. In fact, I was a little confused. Am I interviewing you or are you interviewing me? Okay, so normally it's like for events I interview people and also I thought, okay, am I in the right place? Okay. So it's not, I wish we had discussed a little bit more about the dress code. I would have definitely worn a gown.
Actually, कितें जालें हांवेन I think last time अशें ड्रेस खूब पयलीं घातिल्लो 1 year back.
1 year?
हय 1 year back हांवें अशें घातिल्लें कितें तरी न्यू. सो आतां हो ड्रेस हांवें दवरिल्लो की कोण तरी बरें येतलें आनी हांव घालतलें म्हणून आनी फायनली आज तो दीस आयलो. आनी I hope people like my look.
It's nice, it's lovely.
And congratulations, you recently got married.
Oh, thank you so much. January.
Yes.
Thank you
Photos
so much. Thank you.
So we'll start from your marriage. How is your life after marriage?
My life is pretty much normal. In fact, I would say it's, I would say I'm more of a person who procrastinates. And my husband is helping me a lot in keeping up, with the fact of not procrastinating. So, yeah, I'm liking it.
किती चेंज जाला? तू चेंज जाला? तू चेंज दिसना?
Change, तशें कांय ना, पण I think it's almost the same. Because I don't see it like, as, I got married and I have to change my lifestyle and all. So, तशें करून कांय ना. But just the homes. कित्या इव्हेंटाक म्हाका जाय ड्रेसीस लागता आनी चड कोन्न हांव कॉर्पोरेट्स इव्हेंट करता, वेडिंग्स आनी सगळे. सो कितें जाता की एक इव्हेंटाक एक आउटफीट आसता. सो ते शिफ्ट करपाक ड्रेसीस फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अदर, दॅट इज अनदर हेडेक. इट लुक्स लायक आय एम गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप. ओके, सो दॅट्स द ओनली थिंग आय हॅव टू वरी अबाउट. आनी कांय ना.
बट लग्न जावपाचें डिसिजन कशें घेतलें?
सण परबो जावं वा कसलेय उत्सव, आयुश्यांत भरभरून शृंगार आसचो अशें दर एकल्याक दिसता. त्याच शृंगाराचें प्रतीक म्हळ्यार अंबिका 1 gram गोल्ड ज्वेलर्स. फॅन्सी, ट्रेडिशनल तशेंच कस्टमायज्ड डिझायन्स आनी 1 वर्साची वॉरंटी. आनी इतलेंच न्हय तर 50% लायफ टायम एक्सचेंज व्हॅल्यू लेगीत हांगा मेळटा. अशा कितल्याशाच खाशेलपणांक घेवन अंबिका 1 gram गोल्ड ज्वेलर्स तुमच्या येवकाराक रावता. बेगीनूच भेट दियात. साद मार्केट प्लाझा, ऑपोजिट PMC मार्केट, अपर बाजार, अंत्रुज नगर, फोंडे, गोंय.
You were prepared for it?
No, not at all. Not at all. You will not believe this, Vaibhavi, ki just after my marriage, I think just after the second day, within a day's gap, I started working again. So I continued with my events. So it was that way. And then later on, like I took the small break just to give us like our time.
But mentally prepared आशिल्लें that I'm getting married now?
No.
ते कशें केलें? Mentally prepared कशें जालें?
Prepare जावंक ना कित्याक ते नर्वसनेस आशिल्लें आनी इवन अबाउट प्लॅनिंग आउटफिट्स आनी सगळें लास्ट मिनट जालें म्हणजे. So I was always busy into events. So I thought I'll be able to figure it out. But I was चिंतूक ना कि it's so much of stress. जायती events host केला, जायती weddings host केला, destination weddings आणि normal आमची दुसऱ्यांची weddings host केला. And म्हाका ते always strike जातालें कि what is this big headache about weddings? म्हाका इतू tension कित्याक जाता आणि इतू stress कित्याक जाता for the couple. आणि when it came to my wedding, I actually understood the point की actually stressful आसता situation आणि जायते आसता आणि कितना कितें येता आणि तो टाइम केन्ना पावना. No matter how much you plan ahead, the time is never ever enough. So म्हाका कितें दिसलें की it will be like an easy breeze because I hosted so many weddings. So I thought ki if I just plan it, it will just go on like a breeze. And it's just going to be just a few phone calls, finishing it, but never like that. So it's very stressful.
But तुझी love marriage न्ही?
होय.
Love marriage. So त्याच्या बद्दल सांग. How it happened? Your love life.
My love life is another mystery kind of, you could say. I was not expecting because I always thought I'm a person who's aloof. And एक secret सांगता तुका. I look very confident on stage, okay, but I'm actually a big introvert, but I become an extrovert on stage. It's like how Clark Kent is and he turns into Superman. So I'm like something like that. So I'm like two different personalities. Off stage एक personality and on stage सारखे different personality. So it's like the moment I take the mic in my hand, then the moment I go on the stage, हांव सारखे change जाता. Different personality, सगळं power. No, I think for me, work is worship. Okay, so I've always felt like a good connect with my work. I always felt that power when I went on the stage. Otherwise, I used to always be this quiet person. And soda hoge rautale. And it's not like I used to mix around much. I used to be more of you could say an animal person. So I'm more around animals, my cats, dogs, and less around people, you could say. So I never thought. So it was. I just thought like I'll make new friends and all. And magi ek message illi. Okay. I mean, everybody thinks that we met because of events. Because he's also doing events. And everyone thought that since he's doing events and I'm also doing events, we met in that field. But that's not the story at all. So it actually happened, a random text on Instagram.
How many years back?
Just recently, you could say. I mean, I think, no, actually 3 years, I guess, yeah.
3 years, but not recent.
Yeah, okay, you could say that. So I just received a text on Instagram and there was this, the DP, it was a private profile and it was Mr. Rave Nation. So out of curiosity, like, I just thought I'll follow back. Ki kaun Mr. Rave Nation and who's the person behind this. So I like follow back darlo. And then that's where like our conversation started. And then I actually get scared to even meet people. So, we just thought like so I used to always post stories of tea. So I'm a chai lover. I love chai, okay? I'm a chai addict. And chai pina dala amge dis osna. So, these are like 10 to 15 chai cups pita. Oh. Even before he went, after lunch. Okay, so always chai. Okay, so I think he saw my stories and then he started calling me, let's go for a chai date or let's just meet up for chai. So I was first, thinking, who's this and will someone kidnap me? And he is ugly, So I used to always think like, I don't want to meet people. I'm more around my animals and all. So I kind of, try to not meet. Okay. And then, I don't know, something told me, chalo, just meet up and all. And then we met up. It was a normal meeting. And after we just started chatting more and more, we got to like each other's company. And that's how it like built up.
Okay. And it turned out into marriage.
Yeah, it turned out to marriage. I think it is God's calling. So God plans it out at the right time. I thought, in fact, I will never get married.
But ते जाता after a point, yeah.
At certain point, certain time.
Like देवान also plan केल्लो आसता लायफान की एक स्टेपाचेर एक जावपा लागता.
होय, तशें आसता.
But तुझे full time hosting?
Mainly hosting. hosting मुझे main. So normally I'm mostly into events only. And I had started with blogging and influencer. But maga tando time medona because of events. So events are also like you could say 100% dedication asta. So even if I have an event, I will not take up anything else. It's just event. So I will give my heart and soul to an event.
बट तू म्हणता की यू आर व्हेरी मच इंट्रोवर्ट सो मागीर होस्टिंगाचे कशें आयलें
So it started way back somewhere around 2013. So then now I think what I started doing was started acting in I think we started acting in plays in college. So I started building up that that fear of being on stage or the fear of standing in the church and doing a reading. Okay, that started flying away. So पहिले कितें जालें मिसाक बी म्हाका रिडिंग्स मेळटाली आनी म्हाका रिडिंग्स करपा न्हू म्हाका सारको स्टेज फ्रायट आसतालो फियर आसतालो and I used to get so nervous. I was just sweating कि ते पेपर पासून आसलें तें पिंजतालें ना पिंजतालें पेपर out of the sweat. No, this is
घामान स्वेट
ओय घामान, yeah. I heard घामान. So yeah, out of गामीन तें पिंजतालें पेपर आनी हांव स्टेजीचेर वयतालें या पोडियमाचेर वयतालें at the altar, church altar, पिंजतालें. So I used to have like 2 papers in my hands and I used to do the reading. Okay, but slowly that fear, the nervousness, it just started creeping out. Like sarke to nervousness गेलो. So today, like I get a reading even to do, so I'm not nervous that way. So it's nice. I mean, that is, I think, probably it started that way with small events. So I started hosting, like my relatives started telling, you come, we'll just do small parties. So it started like from the home. So starting with our own parties where we used to like, just do some games or start doing some entertainment, doing off relatives. And my things on, it's, it started building up from there, I would say. And so people started noticing. It's already hosting kota. So, we'll put her for this event. And it started with stage events, big events. And I think I picked on it.
So, Zaina, nervousness?
No.
Hosting?
No. Because nervousness, not that way. But frankly telling you, I'm a person with lots of anxiety. But before event, okay, you'll see like my heart is racing and I'm all nervous. I'm all prepared. But then what happens is every event is a different experience. So I'm always, wanting to do something different, something new for every event. And especially for corporates. Corporates are sodan कित जाता की crowd असता तो different असता. Okay. एक part कित असता की briefing पासून मेळना सारखे. Okay. आणि normally corporates are actually detailed briefing असता. meetings करता, Teams meeting या Google Meet. So म्हाका idea असता की event कित आसतले आणि कॅश करपाचे आणि कितको plan करपाचे. एक part plan करता जाल्यार तेचको वसना की त्या changes आसता last minute. So आमी सुद्दां adapt करपाचे. Introvert, आजू introvert आसा. But
on stage now?
On stage, no. I'm different. So the moment the mic is off, again switch back to being an introvert. Meaning I will give my heart and soul to an event. I will see that, now suppose I'm hosting, okay, any event. So I will be like a friend, I'll be like a family, okay. I will give you that, So every event is different, like I said. So in an intimate setup, you get a different kind of a vibe. When it's a big crowd, you cannot just go and mix with each and every person, know them personally. But what happens here is, I will become that extrovert for you, for that event. I will change my personality. So it changes automatically.
Okay, so hosting तुझे अशें start जालें. मागीर you're also doing acting, न्ही? Actor.
Yes, that is also another crazy story.
तेजी सांग.
So when we participated in a college play, that also was by fluke. So I was never interested in acting. But yes, I did like mass communication, and also, that part we had this thing where we had to participate in a drama. In fact, I was, they did all that makeup and they made me bald and all. So it was a different experience and I liked it. Okay. But it never went beyond that. And we did like a crash course kind of in all this acting. We are done in college as a part of the this thing, mass communication project, mass media and all this. So what happened later was my friend Valerie, okay, one day randomly sent me a message. He audition asa, okay, 2 दिसाचे आणि actors होतात ते, okay, आणि रवींद्र भवना audition असलो, मारगांव. I didn't even take it serious. Okay, but I don't know what happened or what was the thing, and I did not even go on the first day. I didn't even consider the first day. I went on the second day during the last slot tattoo. Something told me, just go. It was like a time pass, not serious at all about it. So Magda said, what is there? Chalo, let's just give it a try. Okay. And I went tinga. Okay. And I paule tinga. It was the last slot. I thought, chalo, auditions kaba salastali. Okay. And I didn't know anything about the auditions. Maka te actually first audition in my life. Okay. Kenna audition deungna. So I just went there. I saw many people were there. So many people. Okay. And that's when I realized this is like what a professional audition looks like. It's all people, seated there just like the judges. And tanja tan book ashillo. And there, kita burotele notes, marks, yeah, all that. So magir maka script dilli. Okay. And you had to Konkani script dilli. Ashe by heart korpache. And you have to give it a shot. And then we finished that. Okay, I did that. And later, there was one thing where the director said, can you do acting of you lost something? Okay, किते तुझे खूप आवडीचे वस्तू असा ती सांडल्या. And you are like frantically searching for it. So they acting कर. So the thought that came to my mind was my pet. Okay, I had a hamster at that time, and hamsters are this tiny. So, I acted like my hamster's lost, and I did the acting and all. And they actually liked that. They liked that thing in me where I was nervous, searching, or I was sad, depressed. So I think that is what clicked with them. And that was not it. After this was just like I was shortlisted. I was still not selected for the role. Okay. So after this, there was one more shortlisting. So there were many actors in that as well. But for the role that they had selected for me, there was me and another girl only. So just two of us for the lead role. So even there, I thought, where do I stand here? Because it's something like by fluke, I felt, okay. And it was, I think, a course of, maybe 2 weeks, I believe. I'm not really sure. Because it's like 2 weeks, we had to rehearse, memorize, and, give it all. There were different takes for that. And then after that time, I got to know that I'm selected. I couldn't believe it. I thought these people are joking with me. Okay, because I never in my life had think. Yeah, for the lead role. Kitya fakot awa ashile ani anek chodo ashile. Okay, ani ami dogai practice kotali. And there was lots that we were doing. And there was one place in Fatoda itself where all the actors who were shortlisted were called. And they were asked, to give it their best shot. So every day we had rehearsals, even our Konkani diction, how we pronounce the words and everything was taken into account. So dialogue delivery. Okay. So everything was taken into account. And after that, I got a call that, hi Merlin, you are selected for the lead role.
Konchi movie?
This was for the first movie, that is for Nausha. So Tangchan starts zale sagwe. That was like, you could say, the start of it. But yeah, like I said, never had an interest in acting. Even, frankly, not that way. I love my job. I love emceeing. I think that's the place I feel the most powerful. So I love that. You give me acting, you give me hosting. I will always select hosting over it.
Okay, but you have any movies keल्यात?
Oh, yeah. So actually, I videos kelle. So there were a lot of videos like Konkani songs and all. I've done many videos.
Music
videos, yes. So music videos were done, the movie. And after Nausha, I was called for 2 more movies. So I did that also. There were 2 more projects also that came. But somehow I did not find it that appealing also. So I think it's not really always about, whatever comes, take it up. So somehow what doesn't click with me, I don't go with it, or something or the other happens and it, I feel like it's not going to work out.
But konche movie experience bora ashilla?
3 movies bora ashille. Ani ek movie experience alo to different ashillo. So
Crazy Mogi.
Crazy Mogi was totally crazy, you can say. It was nice, a good experience. because here we shared the leads with other two actresses as well, and it was nice, different experience. Sogle movies are different experience आशिल्लो. So it's always different people, a different storyline, आणि कितना different असतात.
एक्टिंग करून मागीर तूं इन्फ्लुएन्सिंग करता.
Influencing, actually, frankly telling you, influence, I started like long back, the influencer thing. But then I just started with like time pass food blogs. Actually, frankly telling you, I don't know how it worked out with me. I would say it's God's plan only, whether it's hosting, whether it's the other things, the movies and all. Because I'm a person like, I used to like go with the flow, okay? So for me, it was like even the hosting, I don't know, it was never in my plan that I'll become a host one day, I'll talk, because I used to be a person who used to get so scared, I was so nervous. So I never expected me to be a host, and I used to be a person who never used to mix around much. I'm in my own bubble. So, to break that bubble is another big deal, another big story. And so it worked out. I would say it's all power and grace of God. And
So influencing
grateful.
you started with food blogging.
Yeah, actually with the food blogging. So Maka invite me.
केन्ना पूण?
Long back, I can't remember.
After COVID astले.
It was, no, not after COVID. It was
Before?
before COVID. That's what I'm saying. So it was before COVID. Maka invites atale ki visit our restaurant, and it was basically not even to do the reels and all at the start. My voice is going. Okay, so it was basically just come and enjoy our food and all that stuff.
We stay young.
Yeah, like just more like how they invite the guests and all. So I used to find it very weird why these people are inviting and all. So I just thought, oh, it's nice. What is there to go? I anyways used to go with my parents, my siblings, and we used to like. So my sister was more into all this food and all. She loves visiting any new restaurant, or she's more about the food and all that. So I said, chalo, let's go. Okay. So I went, and then there was one more way when they invited. And then later on, there was one like, how much do you charge for, the food blog? I'm like, wow, they're giving you food and they're paying as well. Okay, this is nice, something different. And then actually, blogging, I think there were just 1-2 people, okay, who were actually quite known. And then blogging was not like how it is now. Undoubtedly, reels
after COVID, it started more.
It started more during, after COVID. So like towards the end of it, honestly. So
during COVID, they
सगळे बेकर्स जाताले
होय बेकर्स जाताले घरान कितें कितें करताले ती कॉफी करताले
कॉफी डालगोना सॉरी नो
कितरी नाव
डालगोना
डालगोना
कॉफी एंड द केक्स
सगळ्यांनी
ट्राय केली हांवें ट्राय केली
हांवेंय केली
so it was before that, so people started inviting, so I was like so happy, wow, you're getting paid, plus you're getting you just have to do a video and post it, nice. Okay, so I thought, okay, maybe there's something nice, so I start केले 1-2 blogs केले हांवें. Okay, आणि then I should take somebody with me, like my friend who's a videographer or somebody, like there was a neighbor, and he used to do photography, but he was just like that time pass. So I took him with me, and then I driving bhi kai konalle. Okay, so everywhere like I used to be the passenger princess. So events pasun like starting mami atali much bara, and she has been quite supportive at the start. Okay, it has been like she used to take me for everywhere and wait till the end, get me back home safely. So it was nice at the start. Okay, so somewhere in 2013 till I think another 3 years I think, and later I started driving and all. So I was like, wow, food is also nice, and nice places I'm getting invited to. Okay, so I felt, wow, this is good. So kele ave, ani magi I just found it a little what do you call it, boring in a sense ki I didn't know how to go about it. Meaning te jevan atale ani I have to wait, now food is cold and then I will eat it. So I didn't know how to go about it and all. So then maka better retalo. Okay, starting ki should I wait for the food to get cold and then take a picture of everything and all. So only that part is to find boring. So that time I didn't know like how to do. It was very new to me, very fresh to me. So I said, okay. Magir events and a lot of things happened, and I just felt it's too much for me. Ki they are going there, taking the content, shooting, and I know how post करपाक पासून उगडास आसी नासलो म्हाका. So it used to be like, the people used to be like, where's the content? Let's, we are waiting for the posting. And I used to say, just give me some time, I will post it. It used to be anxiety for me, considering I have an event. I won't be able to do this. So I used to, procrastinate that.
So priority was events.
Events, yeah. So I thought, maybe this is not for me. Magi I less केलें.
But can they realize that ki full time career जावपा शकता म्हणून?
Actually, somewhere, you could say 1 year after doing the hosting. So somewhere in 2014 or something, I thought, yeah, this is really working out good for me. Because frankly telling you, I never approach anybody with my profile, or I never approach anybody asking me for, hi, I'm an MC, or you can give me shows. Honestly telling you, till date, never approach anybody, any event company or anything. It was like, it started flowing in. So that's when I realized, wow, actually, it's getting better. And at the start, honestly, I used to get very scared. Okay, what I'm going to speak, what's going to happen, and host korpache. I learned it all through experience. With every event, I realized I'm getting better and better. Okay, I'm getting the confidence. Frankly telling you, starting, I used to get so scared to speak a word in Hindi. Because corporate events are, you need Hindi.
Hindi उलोवपा पडटा तुका?
Yeah. So we need to do a mix of Hindi and English mostly. कित्याक आमगे pan India crowd आसता. So अडकून corporateचा.
आणि हिंदी जाता तुजे कडेन?
हय. So starting जाल्यार भितालें सारकें की हिंदी कितको उलोवपाची आनी कितको चलतलें जातलें मुकोडें जावपाना. So every event na, it started building up for me. Ki wow, this is how I'm going to work. Then I started, doing scripts at home whenever I did not have events. I started working on the script, started working. I'll use this. Oh, I will do this.
Games bhi sagle nahi?
Games sagle. So I started getting better. And then I had a friend who I met at work itself, at one of the resorts. And he was from Delhi. Okay, his name was Pankaj. I call him Panky. So he was really nice guy. And in fact, one event I met with an accident while heading back home. We had a back-to-back shows. And that time, telling you frankly, I didn't know how to drive. So I'm biking from Asolna to Arpora. Okay, on the bike. So kit zale back-to-back 2 days events aslo. Okay, and it started getting messed up with my sleep. All the way from Asolna to Arpora on the bike, and then managing an event for the full day. It got too much for me. So somehow I lost track of that, and while coming back home from the second day of the event, I met with an accident in Arpora side only. So I didn't know what to do. And then phone malo, like, did you reach home, or like what time will you reach or something. Kittori phone malo tane. So that time only he came to my rescue. So from that time we were very good friends. So we started, building up that conversation, and to Hindi no letalo on the calls. So that also helped to build up. Okay, so I think the more you have conversations with people around you, you start building better.
कोंकणी उलोवपाक कोण मेळना दिसता.
Oh, actually, I need to.
Maybe तू introvert म्हणून जी कोंकणी उरली भितरूच भायर काडपा मेळना
जाता. So लोक actually म्हणटा की अरे ऑन स्क्रीन बरें उलयता तूं कोंकणी, and it's nice. So I say on screen कितें जाता, आमकां स्क्रिप्ट मेळटा. Okay,
फुल बाय हार्ट मारता तू?
बाय हार्ट मारूंक पडटा. For dialogues you have to. कित्याक ते word to word आसता. So you have to by heart each and everything. So,
but by heart करून मागीर ते इमोशन्सूय भितर घालून
that's a tough job. Actually that's a work that you have to do.
ते मातशें चड डिफिकल्ट न्ही, इमोशन्स प्लस ते बाय हार्ट केला दोनूय तुका लायक कॉन्शियस रावचें पडटा की.
होय, आनी चड कोण एक्चुअली आमगे फिल्म्सा बी कितें आसता की रिटेक्स आसता, बट नॉट टू मेनी ऑल्सो, कित्याक आमकां टायमाक मातशें रिस्पेक्ट करपाक जाय. सो आमी
कितले टेक्स आसता, तूं कितले दिता?
Sometimes one take, okay, everything done, and we're very happy. In fact, for Crazy Mogi, the last one that I did, so we were doing some takes. Some got done in 1 take. Some got done in like 5-6 takes also. So एक part किता आसता की sometimes we take from different angles also, point of view. So थिंगा करूंक पडटा.
तियात्रांनी करूना तुवें केन्ना?
तियात्र ऑफर केल्ले म्हाका जायते येयल्ले
मागीर
बट म्हाका इंट्रस्ट आसप ना तितून. इनफॅक्ट माय डॅड वॉज अ थिएटरिस्ट बिफोर. Yeah, he used to act with Prince Jacob, and then later he left for better prospects, so he joined on the ship. Yeah.
म्हाका आयिल्ली तियात्रान ऑफर.
Okay.
पण
And did you go?
ना
ना?
कित्याक म्हाका हांव स्टेजीर पावतकीर सामकें नर्वस जाता.
कितें म्हणटा?
ऑन कॅमेरा आय एम ओके, लायक
Really?
जाता म्हजे कडेन, बट स्टेजीर पावतकीर अशें कडकडपा लागता. सो हांव ते रिस्कच घेवपाक सोदना की
Okay.
डायलॉग्स विसरले जाल्यार तेंचो लॉस.
Okay.
आतां म्हाका रिसंटली एक नाटकान सामके कॉल करता की नाटकान यो
मागीर
नाटकान
वचपा
यो,
तुवें.
पूण म्हाका भंय दिसता. म्हजे
एक पाट
खातीर
ट्राय कर. म्हाका एक्चुअली स्टार्टींग म्हाकाय तो फियर आलो की डायलॉग डिलिव्हरी जातली ह्या स्टेजाचेर हांव वचून आनी कितें करता काय म्हण. सेम फॉर इव्हेंट, सेम फॉर एक्टिंग.
म्हजो एक एक्सपिरियन्स आसा. एक नाटकान हांवें केलें
ओके.
आनीक हांव मदींच लायक नजर कोणाचेर तरी गेली ऑडियन्सान, आनीक मुखाल्लो एक्टर कितें उलयता म्हणजे तकलेनूच ना तो कितें उलयलो तो.
ओके.
हांव
Blank
थंयच
जालें.
रावलें, ब्लँक जालें, आनी हांवें थंयच म्हणलें राव हांव परत स्टार्ट करता.
ऑन स्टेज.
चालू आसतना नाटक
Oh.
चालू आसतना हांवें लोकां मुखार म्हणलें की राव हांव परत म्हणटा.
And then the
आनी
people
मागीर परत हांवें
start
डायलॉग
केलें?
म्हणलो. हय.
ओके.
सो म्हाका भंय दिसता हांव दुसऱ्या नाटकान गेलें आनी जर चुकलें जाल्यार तेंच्या नाटकाची वाट लागतली न्ही.
पूण ओके हय तेंय आसा बट आय थिंक ते रिपीट करपाक बी आनी ते आय विल स्टार्ट
ट्राय करपाक जाय कशें दिसता म्हाका, पण
मे बी अ फ्यू मोर प्रॅक्टिसेस विल वर्क वेल. सांगूंक जायना. मायट
सांगपा
वर्क.
जायना. पळोवया. चित्ता. बट नाव यू आर व्हेरी फेमस. म्हणल्यार आय थिंक तुजे फॉलोवर्स आर अबाव 90K न्ही इन्स्टा.
या.
सो ते कशें जालें?
So I never thought also. So I never focus on followers. केन्ना म्हजो फोकस आसूंक ना की फॉलोवर्स वाडोवपाचे आनी हें जावपाचें तें जावपाचें. सो फ्रँकली टेलिंग यू फॉलोवर्स आय थिंक इट्स ऑल अबाउट एंगेजमेंट. इंस्टाग्रामाचेर तूं कितको पोस्ट करता. एंड हांव अशें मनीस की हांव एक दीस पोस्ट करतलें मागीर डिसअपियर जातलें. ओके पोस्ट करतलें डिसअपियर जातलें. आनी इव्हेंटाचो जो स्ट्रेस आसता न्हू तो म्हाका हँडल करपाक जाता एक एक पाटी. समटायम्स यू जस्ट नीड टू रिलॅक्स आफ्टर वन इव्हेंट. You feel like, wow, I need a good sleep, I need to stay at home, I need to do Netflix and chill. अशें आसता. And someday I don't even feel like touching my phone. Okay? But when you're in the events field, you have to. कित्याक every, moment matters. Every call matters. Every message matters. That's what I learned after a long time, because I used to be a person, I used to not receive phone calls and all. And I used to wait till the ring is over. Then I'll message the person, अशें करून रावता हांव.
सेम
introvert.
बेजार येता.
बेजार ना. I used to be an introvert, no? So
कितें म्हणून उलयतली?
yeah, that is like, oh my god, कितें उलयतलें? Okay, if I receive someone, I'll talk. Okay, तशें करून आसतलें. I mean, looking at me, you will say she's an MC, but she's not receiving calls and all. You will think that way. So म्हाका ती fright आसतली, अरे I don't want this, so I used to be like the phone calls. So starting it was that way. Okay, so Instagram also, it just started. I just started an Instagram account and I just started posting my pictures. And then TikTok allo. So now it is banned. So then TikTokache reels bhi kotale. So those I used to post here also. All rubbish reels and funny reels, okay? I'm embarrassed also. The lip syncing and all what nonsense I've done in the past.
Sometimes when you're crying, you gotta ask yourself, am I dating a boy or an onion? Stop making me cry. It's over, Jeff. So, moral of the story, my life is a mess.
So even my
पण तेन्ना
husband,
ते बरे दिसताले.
तेन्ना बरें दिसतालें.
हय.
My husband also says, तूं हांव तेदो मेळ्ळो जाल्यार हांव तूं केन्ना कालर जायनासलो. ओके आनी रील चोवपाक ओके एस्ता दा काय रील चोवपाक. So that was just time pass. I was just do any nonsense. Okay. So later, I don't know, I just started putting like things I like, and I used to go, suppose I'm going to a restaurant, I used to post the food. Then I used to, if I'm going somewhere, I used to post something. So I just felt like, oh, people were like liking, following. Even the nonsense that you post, I think gets more likes. Honestly, meaning like the funny reels or the lip syncing and all. I started posting. I'm like, followers started like increasing. But my focus was never on the followers, never on the engagement or reach. Till date, it is not on the engagement, honestly. In fact, recently I started Kela doing the trends, and because I just felt like, you know, life is just becoming like going to events, coming back home again, you know, going to events. So I just felt it was very monotonous. Yeah. So I just felt, you know, I needed to do something. And doing reels makes me happy, honestly. I feel, wow, okay, I do reels, I'm happy. I'm not bothered about anything that's happening online, honestly. So I'm like, even if somebody says something or negative, especially, it doesn't affect me. So I'm a person, like, I'm a very optimistic person, though. That is one plus point you could say. Very optimistic. No matter what happens, no matter what someone says, something negative or anything, or if someone tries to, you know how it is on the gram. Okay, we have more haters than more people who love us. Okay, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So for me, it was never like that. So I just started posting. I did not care about who will judge me or what anybody is going to say. But yes, when it comes to hosting, I started thinking, you know, maybe I should not post this. It will affect my MC image. But then now I be like, no, it's okay. I built my reputation that way over the years. And because I know, you know, it's not going to affect me that way. So that's the only thing.
But तुका DMs भी येतात
Of
म्हटल्यार अशें नेगेटिव्ह
at a point, yeah, they used to come. But then
कितें येता
okay, but म्हाका दिसता ना, it's the people we know. It's the people who know us too well, because the way they message and the way, you know, it's the hate comments, right? So in fact, I'll tell you frankly, this guy called Amod Madolkar, okay, he's from Ponda, and he was my co-actor in the first movie as well, Nosha. Then again we were there in Fake. I've done videos also with him. Okay, so he's a person, no, with, I would say, a very wise man, you know, like Buddha. So there was a time like we used to talk, and then he used to always give me his gyan, and I used to love listening to that, because his talk used to go deep. Okay, he used to like always expand on whatever you're talking, and it was nice talking to him. So there was a point where people started making fake profiles of me. Then somebody started, you know, commenting negative stuff and all. I realized this is all hatred, and I just felt, why people are so negative, why people are so much hatred. No matter what I do, no matter, I'm not bothered about what somebody else is doing. You go, you fly higher. Okay, but why are you, you know, pushing negativity on me or making? And then, you know, there were some negative comments and all. So I was talking to Amod that time, and I said, you know, see what this is happening. I'll put this thing, no status, and I'll do this. Then he told me, don't do that. Let them do. Okay, he said,
ignore.
Yeah, he actually told me that. And he said, ignore kotanga. Okay, tu jitlo te post kotole.
Entertain
you are fueling their ego. Okay, these people are doing this behind fake profiles. Okay, behind a fake profile or behind a no DP. You know, they go to that extent. So he said, you know, they are the people who can't reach your level, or they are the people who can't copy you, or they are jealous of what is happening in your life.
So तुका सकयल ओडपा सोदतात.
Exactly. Meaning, तुका mentally distressed करपा सोदता. Okay. So, I mean, there are people who get disturbed. First, I used to get disturbed. Okay, I started, why people are doing this, and okay, why people are throwing so much hate and all. There used to be some dirty comments also. So I used to be like, what did I do to these people? Why are they like this? I mean, people are very judgmental. Okay. So I used to be like, no, you know, this girl is getting so many shows because she's like this, that way. I clearly remember my mom used to accompany me to almost every show. In fact, some of the people who I still meet now for events, they say, hey, your mom used to come now for events, and I remember and all that. So I used to wonder, like, why people are doing this. Because you know what happened was, the moment I started getting shows. Like, I started picking on like really good, really fast. And I think people started noticing around, okay, how this girl came here in this field out of nowhere. She's doing this, meaning she's doing emceeing, she's doing acting, she's doing this also. How is it possible? So, you know, people's gaze is not good. People also think. Likewise, will be affecting you as well. People will say, I think Vaibhavi, she out of nowhere she came in this field and she's doing this, she's doing well. So somebody must have said things to you also. But I think the best way to do is just ignore. So Amor told me, don't do this. Story galna ka. Okay. Why you want people to know also? You are fueling this person's ego. Okay. And jitlo tu taka fuel kata, to tuk ani bejar kutlo. Okay. This is one profile that is created. Like yani da profile astale fake. Okay. Tu ek block kutlo. Dusre profile ache message kutlo. So sometimes what happens is, the good thing is Instagram has that option of filtering. So I put some of the things that you need to filter. Okay. So I've done that. That's okay. So basically now it's like those comments are not there. Okay. So even if somebody wants to do it, it's really not there. Okay. But earlier, yes, there was this thing and I used to wonder why people are. So first what I used to do is I used to delete the comments. Okay. Or I used to block the people. So I think the best thing to do is either delete or block. And if you block also, definitely they're going to view your story by creating another fake profile. So I just thought people are watching you. People are hating on you. So just keep on rising above it. So that is what he actually told me. Go above and beyond. Do it. Somebody's trying to copy you. That means, yeah, you're still in the market. You're still there. People are still talking about you. That's good, he said. He actually told me in a positive way. And it influenced me so much. I said, wow, this is brilliant. Something good. Okay. What he spoke actually, touched my heart. Okay, sir. So that kind of boosted my confidence.
Evil eye believe करते तू?
Evil eye, boy.
करता? काटा दिष्ट भी?
Actually, my granny, she passed away, so very close to me, and सारखी close असतली पण. So ती काटाली तेशकोन. So if I used to fall sick, evil eye. She used to say, नोदर लागला तुका.
नोदर लागला.
So yeah, she used to just take the Bible and used to spray on me. Or she used to sprinkle holy water and all. पुलिस वाल्या शोजा भी होता था. Holy water. You won't believe I brought a Bible today as well. In my bag there is. No, I'm religious that way. Yes, I have faith. Like my faith is very strong. So I always carry a Bible with me wherever I go. And my granny saw the Bible came to disht kattali.
Ata kanna there?
No, she passed away. So she's the same. I mean, I always remember her, miss her.
But ata your mom.
My mom, no, she laughs at all these things. She doesn't really believe. I mean, she says, yeah. But then...
so do you now? Tu?
I believe, but now Tashkun no. So just, I believe in God. I think God is there for us.
So 3 movies, and you have काम केला पय. Suppose हांवें सांगले की every movie एक ice cream flavor चे खंयचो एक flavor दी. किती दितले तू? Every movie.
Okay. Almost an आवडीचो question. Okay. Very nice question, I would say. So, पहिली movie जी actually, ती actually Nausea. So, Nausea, you can say dark chocolate. Because all the chili, the intense drama. So, you can relate it with dark chocolate. Magir, tacha uprant, it is fake. That is fully artistic killer entertainment. So, tia movie, you can say cotton candy. Because yeah, it was nice. It was funny. It was comic element, and it was nice. That was you could say it was sassy. It was nice, good. Okay. Ani tacha uprant Crazy Mogi. So Crazy Mogi, you can say tutti frutti because there's too much in that. Lots up down. It's a mix of everything. Ani nice twist in the end. So. I think 3 movies, 3 different flavors. Good.
Okay.
And 3 different experiences.
आता आम्ही tongue twister करूया. कोंकणी.
Full starting so आता. It has been a tongue twister only this podcast.
आता आनी मातसो दिवया.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so हांव जे तुका sentence सांगता पय ते तुवें 3 times म्हणपाचे.
I am 100% sure I'm going to get out in the first round.
Na. Picky Popeye, Tony Popeye.
This is most funny. Okay. Picky Popeye, Tony Popeye. What?
Hi.
Okay. Picky Popeye, Tony Popeye, Picky Popeye, Tony Popeye, Picky Popeye, Tony Popeye.
वाव झाले.
Actually said it,
होय
right?
होय म्हणले तू. आणि एक तुझे म्हजे म्हजे तुझे ते सगळ्यांचे.
तुझे मुझे मुझे तुझे ते सगळ्यांचे, तुझे मुझे मुझे तुझे ते सगळ्यांचे, तुझे मुझे मुझे तुझे ते सगळ्यांचे. Okay, I actually did it. Wow,
जाता,
I'm learning
वाव.
Konkani with you.
होय. ओके तसे जाल्यार तो फर्स्ट वानय जातलो. माडा वयलो पिडो पडून पाडो मेलो.
माडा वयलो पिडो पडून
पाडो मेलो.
पाडो मेलो. माडा वयलो पिडो पडून पाडो मेलो. Not this one.
But well done.
Okay.
केले तू.
Yeah, normally at events I ask people to do it. Sometimes it's at engagement or energizer.
त्याच्या
So I
खातीर
think you can
easy
say
ते.
one. Simple. Toy boat.
कितें?
Repeat it.
टॉय बोट.
Yeah.
कितले फाटी?
10 times. Fast.
टॉय बोट टॉय बोट टॉय बोट टॉय बोट टॉय बोट
Faster.
टॉय बोट टॉय बोट.
Simple word. Yeah, it's difficult, no?
होय. ओके सो आता येवया तुझ्या लायफांतलो एक टफस्ट पॉइंट खंयचो? टफ टाइम इन युअर लायफ.
Okay, a tough thing that I have overcome in my life, you could say, is getting on stage, the stage fright.
तोच टफ?
That is the toughest, I think, for now. You can say that. Okay, I think believing yourself and knowing that, oh wow, I can do that. Okay, I think that's something nice. So I just felt that should be one of the toughest things.
ओके.
It was like a challenge.
हय तुवें म्हणलें की युअर मॉम यूज टू कम विथ यू फॉर शोज.
For events, I
ते
literally
रिलेशन
everywhere.
सांग. रिलेशन सांग विथ युअर मॉम.
Relation with my mom. She is very sweet. She's very nice. I mean, obviously,
Strict?
everyone says she's not strict. Yeah, strict you could say, yeah, to an extent, yeah. And not really. I don't know how to describe that. But I would say we are more like best friends. Okay, I share everything with her. Kithi jata te phone man sangta. Okay, now though I'm married, I give her a call directly. Mama, this happened. Mama, that happened.
साडयो.
ना किती फनी पासून असल्या फोन मध्ये मम्मा आजी बेटा हेच चालल्या या आजी समथिंग फनी हॅपन्ड आय ऑलवेज टेल हर अँड वी ऑलवेज हॅव दॅट लाफ म्हणजे आमचे बॉन्ड आसा जे सारकें क्लोज आसा. सो स्टार्टिंगसून ती म्हाका इव्हेंट्साक कंपनी करताली, ती येताली इव्हेंट्साक टील द एंड बिकॉज frankly telling, like, dad wasn't here. Dad was sailing most of the time. So support system was mama. So we shoot asta, mama etale. And she's like, she's also, you could say, like, introvert only. And I think her friend circle is very tiny, very, very small. And she's mostly like, she's a working woman. So she's a person who's mostly into her work. And she would prefer to have less friends. And she's not a person who will gossip also. Okay, but with me, she'll just keep on talking.
बट तुका आनीक एक नाव आसा मली कली. तें नाव कशें पडलें?
So
स्टोरी कितें?
स्टोरी ताजी एक्चुअली नाव मली कली आहा ते सगळ्यांक आवडटा फ्रँकली. ओके, सो मुगे जायत पेट नेम्स आसताले घरा कडेन. सो मलू, मली, मली कली आनी अशें करून म्हणटाले म्हाका घरा कडेन. ओके, चड करून म्हाका मलू म्हणटाली. ओके, सो कितें जालें एक दीस हांवें चिंतलें की म्हजी पर्सनॅलिटी जी आसा, ओके, खूंय गेलें न्हू इव्हेंटाक किंवा खूंय गेलें. ओके, स्टार्टींग फर्स्ट people what they notice करता ते म्हणजे केंस. ओके, and like people always do complimentally, wow, you have nice hair, how do you maintain it, या कितें. Okay, it's like basically my hair is to introduce myself. Okay, it was like the icebreaker. So the hair is like the thing that used to be noticed first. So I just felt, okay, my hair is doing some talking, and the hair is like, it's natural hair. So the hair runs in the family. My dad has curls. Okay, so he's blessed with the curls. So I would say I've taken it from him. Okay, in fact, all three of us had curly hair. So I have two siblings, but my sister, she doesn't like the curly hair, so she's gone for the straight. Now she's now trying to maintain the curls back because the straight, the straightening that she's done is wearing off, and now she's trying to maintain the curls. So she's also liking it now. So it's good because at a point of time, even I didn't know how to manage the hair. And the million products asa marketant, and there are so many videos, reels how to manage your hair, maintain.
So how you maintain?
I use a lot of products and I pray to God. It's like a curly hair has mood swings asa, frankly. So yes, for events and all, I do special styling. I use a lot of products and I do gels, then cream. Ani Mansuna, I think you get all the frizz. You can see slight frizzes there also. So I think with every weather, you have to keep on adapting and see which product works best for you. So हमें कितें चिंतलें की what's his name? आणि म्हाका दिसलें की wow, Murli आणि Curly. Okay, हे rhymes जाता. Okay, it's nice, sounding good. Okay. सो एकदां कितें केलें इंस्टाग्रामाचें नांव जाल्लें तें चेंज केलें मली कर्ली घायलें ओके आनी चेंज केलें तें एवरीबडी लायक स्टार्टेड लायकिंग इट ऑल्सो एंड दे स्टार्टेड रिलेटिंग इट टू द कर्ल्स ओके बिकॉज I just felt wow, that's like a new personality only, like of my own. So I just felt wow, new personality I got and something new. Okay, it's nice. And frankly telling you now, people don't remember my original name. They call me Mali Curly. They see anyway, "Arey, they're Mali Curly. She's Mali Curly. Oh, hi Mali Curly." So people don't know my actual name also. That is, my name is Merlin. So you know that thing is easy to remember. It's nice. It's rhyming. It's vibing. So I think it kind of goes well with the personality. So that's the story of the name. That's it.
ओके जेन्ना पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट जाल्लो तेन्ना तुजी 20% कोंकणी आशिल्ली आनी आतां 50 जाल्या कित्याक आतां तूं उलयतालें पळय मातशें पयलीं तेन्ना हांवें नोटीस
म्हाका दिसता की if I do 3-4 more podcasts with you, okay, it will go to 100%
जातलें
न्ही.
ओके सो दॅट इज इट थँक यू सो मच आनी कितें उलोवपा जाय
No, I think I'm done.
आनी कितें सांगपा जाय ऑडियन्साक एनी मेसेज
Message would be just to believe in yourself and be confident and don't think about negative comments or don't think about negativity at all. Negativity will be there all throughout. But no matter what, believe in yourself. I think there are, among all the people that are there around you, there are people who are rooting for you. There are people who actually follow you. And there are people watching you always. That's one thing. So always give them a good show. Yeah, so I think that's the message I would like to give. Okay. And believe in yourself and keep on flying. Go higher. Keep flying.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Nice having the conversation with you.
Konkani.
Konkani conversation.
Please do like, share and subscribe.
सण परबो जावं वा कसलेय उत्सव आयुष्यांत भरभरून शृंगार आसचो अशें दर एकल्याक दिसता. त्याच शृंगाराचें प्रतीक म्हळ्यार अंबिका 1 ग्राम गोल्ड ज्वेलर्स. फॅन्सी, ट्रेडिशनल तशेंच कस्टमायज्ड डिझायन्स आनी एका वर्साची वॉरंटी. आनी इतलेंच न्हय तर 50% लायफ टायम एक्सचेंज व्हॅल्यू लेगीत हांगा मेळटा. अशा कितल्याशाच खाशेलपणांक घेवन अंबिका 1 ग्राम गोल्ड ज्वेलर्स तुमच्या येवकाराक रावता. बेगीनूच भेट दियात साद मार्केट प्लाझा ऑपोजिट PMC मार्केट अपर बाजार अंत्रुज नगर फोंडे गोंय.